Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily and quickly install Facebook Messenger application on iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write comments under this video, and also subscribe to our channel. And let us get started with you. And if you want to install the Facebook Messenger app, then first you'll need to open an app called the App Store. It's installed by default on all iPhones, so you can easily find it. And once you open the App Store, on the bottom right, go to the search section. And here at the top, in the search box, type in the word Facebook Messenger. Once you find that app, click on it. And you'll have the word install under the title right here. You'll need to click on it and wait for the installation process to complete. This process will take no more than 1 to 2 minutes. And you'll be able to see how long this process will take. Also, here is the App Store app, because when you click on the word install, you will start to have this kind of backward time deduction so that you can understand how long it will take to complete the installation of this app. Once the app is installed, you can easily open it either from the App Store itself or you can exit it. And find the Messenger app already on your desktop. And open it from here and then sign in and use the app. This is how you can easily install Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please do not fail to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and see you soon.